Hello everyone, I want to get right into it and show you guys what our bedroom is looking like. So we kept our bedroom, our bed frame from our last apartment. We still really like it, and so we decided why buy a new one. Same thing with the mattress. The only thing though is that at our last apartment we didn't have any nightstands, so we just got these in from Target. I wanted to keep them white to match our dresser that's from IKEA. We also ordered some lamps, and I have to go check to see if they arrived because I have a bunch of packages in the next room, which is the office. Also ordered a new hamper from IKEA that's coming in with my new Alex drawers because I really can't stand the look of this one anymore. This was also from our last apartment that we brought. I just ordered these curtains from Amazon and they arrived this week. They're really pretty linen, kind of like taupey color. I have to order a really pretty tray to set up my perfumes. This is just temporary, just like a little plastic container for the meantime. I didn't like the one that we had at our last apartment, so I threw it away. I was also thinking that we could place a mirror there on top of the dresser or hanging on the wall here on the corner, same corner as the dresser. So with this wall, let me explain to you guys. My dad had the TV up on this corner on that wall next to the closet, and it's very awkward and it's very weird. So we want to move it and mount it on this wall instead. That way it could be directly across from the bed. We're not going to keep that TV. We have a bigger one that's going to go here. And then I was thinking, once the TV is up there, maybe we can get like a cute little bench and put there under the TV. We could just have a cute little bench. And that thing we're not keeping. I mean, maybe we'll keep. I was thinking we could like spray paint it white and it would look really pretty if I just keep it in the office room for storage. And speaking of the office room, let me go show that to you guys because it's looking very messy. These are all the boxes that we're gonna open up together. Right here, this is our TV that goes in the living room. We just haven't opened it up yet because my dad's old TV is still there in the living room and it's just a mess. That's why the living room and the rest of the house is gonna be the last thing that I show you guys, because until we finish selling most of the furniture that was already here and like getting rid of things, I can't show that to you guys. Like, it's literally a mess. It's everything that was already here plus our things on top of that, so it's like so hectic out there. This room is gonna be such a process. So I currently have all the makeup and skincare here until my IKEA Alex drawers arrive. I just ordered this lamp from Target and it came in and it's really pretty. The only thing that we're disappointed with, because I didn't read the reviews beforehand, but like the shade, it doesn't lay flat like on top of the lamp, so we're actually gonna have to crazy glue this so that it could just like stay like that. And then in the meantime, I just put my crystals there. I think they actually look really pretty there. My clothing rack. So this is my vanity and we're gonna leave my computer here too. I actually ordered some wood contact paper for my vanity. This happened because I ripped off the marble paper that I had because I was just over it, and the marble looked really fake and it was really glossy and I didn't like it, so we ripped it off and then it ended up doing this, but it's okay. I think I'm really gonna like the wood one that I ordered, which I think is in one of these boxes. It already came, but it's wood and it's matte, so let's see. This mirror is from IKEA. It used to be in our living room at our old apartment, but it's gonna be here. It's gonna be part of the office. So the mirror will eventually be moved to this wall here. This table is gonna go away. All of this is gonna go away once we start organizing the house. That's like Christmas decorations. The closet, honestly, don't even look at that. We're just gonna close that and, you know, just ignore it because it's all just a big old mess. But okay, let's open these packages. So this is a little tray table from Amazon. I love eating in bed, and so I was tired of eating in bed and like using my pillows or my cushions to hold up my plate. So I went on Amazon and I ordered this, and it was only like 17 bucks. And I'm so happy. Now I have my little tray to eat in bed. Yes, look at this. This is freaking perfect. And then the legs fold back in. Oh my god, yay. I'm gonna be linking this for you guys if you're interested. Oh, wow. Such a big box for only one thing. So this is the wood contact paper that I was telling you guys for my vanity. So happy. Okay, how do I open this one? Curtain rods that I ordered for the living room. Yep. These are them. They're freaking huge. I always forget to look at the measurements whenever I'm ordering things, and this is why I got so mad at myself, because I'm looking at these and I already know that they're gonna be way too long for the windows in the living room, so they're gonna have to be sent back. Next we have Walmart and Target. These are all like decor pieces. I got a new set of microfiber bed sheets in white, because I feel like we have a lot of different color bed sheets, and I just want to start using like more neutrals. I want to start using more white, creams, and beiges for our bed. I don't really want to use the other colors that we have. I know we have a lot of gray and a lot of like blush pinks, which I was very into in our last apartment, but not anymore. These are just some hair products. My favorite shampoo at the moment, which is the Palmer's coconut oil, and this is the Shea Moisture Leave-In conditioner. Wait, what is this? I ordered these? Wait, this is just one? Oh yeah, I did order this. This is just a cushion. I didn't know it was gonna be so big. I think that it was cuter when I saw it online. Yeah, I don't really know about this one, especially because I ordered 2 more from Target, which I hope that they're in that box, because Target, they also sent me I ordered so many things from them that they are sending them out in different packages, so I hope that they're in that box. That way I can compare the 2 of them and decide which one I want to keep. But so far, looking at this one, I really can tell that I'm not gonna like it. Yay, the lamps! The lamps arrived. So the thing that attracted me about these lamps, number 1, they were on sale, but number 2, the shape is just so unique. I hadn't really seen lamps in this shape before. Oh my god, this is gonna make a mess. Freaking foam. Okay, so here they are. I also like how small they are, but I'm gonna show them to you guys once I set them up in our nightstands. So far so good. Last big package is a Target one. Yes, these I love. They're so pretty. These are gonna look so pretty on our bed. Yes, like these are the vibes that I'm trying to have. Not this. Guys, look at how cute this little vase is. It's like a little basket weave type of thing. So you can't really put fresh flowers with water in here. It's gonna have to be like fake flowers. I ordered some pampas grass. Pampas, is that how you say it? Pampas grass on eBay. So once they get here, I'm gonna put this on top of our dresser with the grass. guys see now why I'm just so obsessed with the lamps. Not only is the shape very cool, but the vintage Edison styled light bulbs that they bring, they also add such a nice unique touch to them. I love how small they are. That's the other thing, that I don't want like a huge lamp with like the big like shade poles that would take up basically majority of the space here in the nightstand. That's why I love how small they are. Very minimalistic too. Eventually I do want to put something else here in the nightstand. I was thinking like maybe a small little tray that could hold my jewelry, just to have like a unique little touch there. The pillows I'm obsessed with. I feel like the fringe adds a very cool beachy kind of vibe to the bedroom, and that's kind of like the direction that we're gonna be taking for the whole house. We want to add elements of like beachy, boho. I feel like we were so inspired with the architecture and interior design from every single place that we visited in Tulum, and particularly like the little hotels. Right. Yeah, they're throwing off the vibe. At least the purple is. I don't mind the green puffs. I actually really like the green puffs, but the purple, I feel like it's too much. It looks fine on the other one. Yeah, I gotta order somewhere some other vases as well. First official breakfast on the new tray table, and guys, I love how sturdy this is. Like, it's pretty planted on the bed. It's not gonna like fall or collapse or anything like that while you're eating. My eggs have a slightly blue tint to them from because I cooked them in the same pan that I made the blueberry pancakes. So yeah, they're not like weird or bad. It's just they have that tint from the blueberries. But anyways, I am so freaking excited. Having some green tea too, and I'm just gonna put on some Netflix and enjoy my breakfast in bed. This is amazing. This is seriously bliss. Everyone should have this and enjoy eating in bed. Look what finally got delivered yesterday. It only took 3 weeks, but it's finally here, and I made Jackie build it for me like right away. So my Alex drawers from IKEA, now I can finally organize and put away all of my makeup and skincare that I've just been having here. Yeah, the skincare that I have here will also be put away in the drawer. But yeah, slowly but surely the office is coming together. We also finally put the wood contact paper on the vanity table, and I am obsessed with how it looks. Like, it makes it look so polished and nice. I love the look that it gives it. I don't know if I had mentioned this before, but another reason why I was waiting on the IKEA order is because I had ordered a new hamper because I was so over the one that we've had. And this is it. It's really, really pretty. I'm very happy with my choice. I think that it goes with the whole like beachy boho theme that I'm trying to decorate the house because of the nice basket weave material. So let's transfer those dirty clothes over here and officially get rid of this little nasty looking thing. And look at how much better that automatically looks. It elevates the whole look of the room. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, so another thing that finally got here, I think that I had also mentioned before that I was in the look for a new fragrance tray. Initially, I was gonna look for something that was like a wood material too, but I just can't really deny my love for like gold and marble things. Even though this one that I went with, it's more of like a ceramic, like a regular ceramic more than a marble design. But I'm still happy. I really, really like it. It looks really, really expensive, because the handles, they have more of like an antique gold color rather than like a bright gold. So I think that that gives it kind of like a vintage look, which I love. So let's put it up here. I'm glad that it's pretty large because it fits so many bottles. I'm a little annoyed that this Idol perfume doesn't really stand up straight. It falls, so I have to lay it down, and I feel like it's taking up a lot of space, but it's okay. It's a large enough tray. If Jackie and I plan on getting more perfumes, we'll definitely have space for that. Right here I just have this little thing where I keep like little perfume samples that we have so that they're not just here looking messy and cluttered. I can't wait for the pampas grass that I ordered to finally get here. It's coming all the way from China. I ordered it a whole month ago and it's still not here. Only thing that I'm missing besides the pampas grass is just like a nice candle here, and then our dresser top would be complete. Look at how stunning these candles that I ordered from Target are. What attracted me to them is the cement material. Like, how cool is that? I'm gonna put them in our nightstand table. Not that I'm gonna use them or anything, they're just gonna be there for decoration. And I'm so in love with how pretty and like sturdy and heavy they are. Like, they look very, very expensive. I'm very, very impressed. Wow. Yes, yes, yes. I decided to just put it like facing this way. I don't want to see the name. I don't know, I just feel like the writing takes away from like the aesthetic, so it's just gonna face that way. It instantly elevated this whole little nightstand. I'm also gonna order one for the bathroom too. Loves it.